Another very useful thing to turn on when you're working with styles is something called the Navigation Pane. Now the Navigation Pane can be turned on by choosing the View tab in the ribbon and ticking the option Navigation Pane. It can also be closed by clicking the X at the top of the Navigation Pane or taking the tick off. Alternatively, there is a key combination you can press to bring up the Navigation Pane, and it's Control F. The F stands for Find, because typically the Navigation Pane is used to find certain words or key phrases. Now there's not a lot of text in this document, so I'm going to bring up a document with a lot of text so I can show you how the navigation and search results works. In this particular document, I'll press Control F to bring up the Navigation Pane. The Navigation Pane comprises of three sections: Results, Pages, and Headings. If I click on Results, I can then type in the search box and search for a certain word or phrase. For example, I might type plan. Because I haven't pressed the space bar, Word has actually found every instance of the words that have PLAN in them. So for example, we haven't just got plan, we've got planning, and we've even got plants. The idea of the Navigation Pane is it will find every word that contains what you type in the search box, PLAN, and allow you to jump to each of those instances. If I want to clear the results, I simply hit the X. And now I can search for another word, such as budget. There are three instances of the word budget. I can click on them, or if there are a lot of instances, I can use these little buttons here to move up and move down through the various finding results. In addition to being able to navigate and search for a word or a phrase, you can also navigate, let me just clear this, to pages. When I click pages, depending on the width of my navigation bar, I'll either see one page or 2 pages or even 3 pages to the right. But the point is I'm able to click on the pages, any one of the 6, and jump straight to those pages, not too dissimilar to a PDF file. And then thirdly, we have headings at the top. The idea here is that we can use the Navigation Pane to quickly jump to those pieces of text that have got a heading style applied. And that's what this is sort of saying down here. To get started, we need to go to the Home tab and start applying heading styles so that we can navigate through our document via its headings. So very shortly we'll be getting into styles and you'll see how that works. But for now, just turn on the Navigation Pane. And earlier I got you to turn on the Style Area pane